What's up, my dudes? In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to insulate your garage doors. These are the Owens Corning garage door kits that you can buy at Lowe's. I don't know if Home Depot sells them, I'm not sure. I bought these at Lowe's. I prefer Home Depot, dudes, but they don't carry them. They do, but there's online only, and it's cold as shit outside. I wanted them today. So, anyways, dudes, let's take a look and see what we get in the box. But before we do that, so this one here, guys, is it says it will do fits doors up to 9 feet wide by 7 feet and 4 inches high. And then I'll also kind of, I guess this could kind of be a review too, I guess. Okay, so this looks like a roll. This looks like another roll. Oh wow, look, they give you some gloves. How cool. Another roll. Looks like you get 4 rolls in a box, my dudes. I don't know if we get any instructions or not. It looks like we do on the back of the box. Look, guys, always wear your safety glasses when you're handling sharp objects like insulation. Always. Begin by making 2 marks on each door section. See diagram. Alright, my dudes, so you get these, and apparently you just take these. If you're cold, they're cold. Bring them inside.
They're not an animal. Not an animal. Probably breeding.
Alright, my dudes, that is pretty much it. That's how we insulate your garage doors with the garage door kit from Lowe's or from Owens Corning. These are really great, guys. I'm super happy with the performance already. Before, whenever I put my hand up here on these doors, you could just feel the cold air. I mean, you could stand here and feel the cold air radiating off the doors. Now, it's super nice, super comfortable. Super awesome, dudes. These are great. Yeah, highly recommend if you guys can insulate your garage doors. If you're doing any kind of garage, you know, renovation or anything like I am, highly recommend this. Just do it. Just do it. These are about $100 a door, but it's worth every penny, guys. It's, you know, you spend a little bit now, save a lot down the road. So just, you know, do it right. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.